Hi everyone, apa kabar?
Kabar.
Apa kabar? I still remember.
Yes.
So, do you know what is curious? Like, I think 3 weeks ago, Indonesian family,
Yes.
like I met an Indonesian girl,
Yeah.
and do you know what I told her?
What?
I told her, apa kabar?
Oh.
She's like, wow,
I know,
seriously? Do you know how? I said, yeah, that's the only thing I could tell you, but I'm proud. I still remember how to greet in Indonesian.
Yeah, it's very great to know the culture.
By the way, do you know that Indonesia has over 700 languages?
Wow. It reminds me of a very great country, maybe in Africa. And I know that your traditionally very rich in natural beauty, beaches, rainforests, and coral reefs. I know. Wow, we're talking about Bali, one of the most beautiful located paradise on earth.
But I mean, Bali is not all Indonesia, because a lot of people think that Indonesia is versus Bali.
Yeah.
No, you've got the, how was the name? Komodo Island, Borobudur.
But obviously,
You've
has an
got
influence.
Raja Ampat, you've got the capital Jakarta. But yeah, Indonesia is very famous. But, and what about the dishes? I don't know. I know we know very little about Indonesian dishes.
Yeah.
Do you like spicy foods? What's
Spice.
oh yeah, Indo means.
Indonesia. Indo means.
That's one of my favorite dishes.
Yes.
Indo means.
Worldwide.
Like, it's from Indonesia?
It's from Indonesia.
Are you serious?
Of course. Very, very famous in our country. In Africa, it's very famous. Yeah.
Well, so what can we say? And a curious fact about Indonesia is, like, I've never seen a black Indonesian.
No,
Have you?
I haven't. I
have never seen.
No.
They are super, super white.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the climate here, the weather.
Maybe they are also mixed with black African people.
No, I think Indonesia they're not like good. I
It's
think
more
they're
like-
more mixed maybe with Malaysian,
Yeah.
Filipino.
Filipino, yeah.
But yeah, the girls are so beautiful.
They're
Indonesian girls are so
Yes.
beautiful.
Beautiful girls.
And so kind.
Yes, and I know there's a mix of a lot of Arab, Asia,
Yeah.
Europe. Everything is so mixed there, and African obviously. So it is rich in coral. It's rich and it's a very good spot. in the
What's your
world.
favorite Indonesian dish? And I don't know, but if you want us to keep reacting to Indonesian stuff, let us know.
Okay.
We will do so. And I'm curious about their food right now. But well, let's go and look. Let's go watch this new music video. Well, it's not new. It's like 3 months ago.
We're still number 3 on the top.
Oh, it's
worldwide.
trending.
It's
Okay.
trending.
Let's see why. And this is TABOLA BALE. Like vale in Spanish, like it's okay.
It's okay.
Vale with V. But this is BALE. TABOLA BALE.
Bale. Yeah.
Silent, open up.
Okay.
This is from Jacson, Juan, Reza,
Juan,
Diva,
Reza.
Aurel. Like, so Spanish names here. Like,
Okay, they are mixed with Spanish. Like Filipino. You know in Filipino they speak Spanish. Yeah. Okay, they're mixed with Spanish too. Wow.
why do you know that?
Colonial.
No.
700 languages. I know in Filipino they speak Spanish.
Yes, they do. The voice. And she's so
So
cute.
romantic.
It reminds me of a Spanish song. Can we sing in
Yeah, I
the...
want to sing it because if not, it's like Yeah, yeah.
It reminds me of like Brazilian
A lot.
songs.
Baby rumah.
That would they say.
That's Selena, of course. You know, Spanish music. Like a happy song.
They like so.
Not traditional. Arab. They had to have Arab. Wow, I know. Cautious.
Which language is she speaking and which one were the other ones
This is
speaking?
another language.
This is...
Like a reggae song. Wow! Yeah, she's laughing too. Seguro.
This is so good vibes. This
Yes, it made me
is so
laugh.
good vibes.
I needed this. I needed this. Like, to be a kid again.
Go, go,
Yeah,
go.
we are still young. Yeah.
Go, go,
Go, Jason. Go, Juan.
go, Diva. Go, everyone.
Okay.
This was so fun.
Yes.
Like, we went back to when we were.
I got those. We went back.
I'm looking at her. I'm like, oh
You
my
have to
god.
progress in this life. You have to progress. Look
But
for,
you're always stuck in the same place.
look for. This is spiritual dreams. Look for what is it?
Spiritual gems. That's what you will look for. Like, this was so good. He was so clean, because sometimes you get
Yes.
sick and tired of like meaningless songs
Dilo
that
tapa.
have no meaning and rubbish out there going viral and they don't even know why, because they don't have zero talent. But anyways,
It's truth.
you can all do whatever you want with your life. But it's good to have songs like TABOLA BALE, which encourage you to like keep being yourself and having your childhood into you, and
Never
uplifting
forget it.
your village and your people, and
Your
just having
people.
fun with your friends.
Those who are with you and doesn't make you to get so lonely that you have to look for friends on social media. I hate that. I hate what's going on around the world. So if you have a community, keep it there, clean.
And I just love how Indonesians always get together to make nice scenes. And thank you for watching our video.